Announced on March 26, 2025, the Canon EOS R50V is a mirrorless camera designed for video-focused creators. With its affordable price and robust features, it targets vloggers and content producers who are ready to upgrade from smartphone filming. Canon's approach with the R50V supports the growing online creator community, offering accessible technology that bridges the gap between casual and professional video production. Let's explore what sets this camera apart. The R50V offers creative flexibility with 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, ensuring crisp and smooth footage. For those interested in slow motion, full HD recording at 120 frames per second is available, while the 1.56x APS-C crop in 4K 60p mode narrows the field of view. It remains manageable for most vlogging scenarios and encourages experimentation with different shooting styles. These features make the R50V adaptable for a wide range of video projects. At the heart of the R50V is its 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the Digic X processor. This combination delivers sharp, vibrant images with excellent clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. Fast processing and enhanced dynamic range result in well-balanced exposures, making the camera dependable for both photo and video work. This reliable performance supports creators across various environments. To further improve your shooting experience, the R50V is equipped with the dual-pixel CMOS AF2 autofocus system. This advanced technology enables quick and accurate subject tracking, whether you're capturing people, animals, or vehicles. Eye and face detection help maintain sharp focus during both stills and video, reducing missed shots and making it easier to capture dynamic moments. The autofocus system's seamless integration gives creators confidence when working with unpredictable subjects. Portability is a standout feature of the R50V, weighing only about 370 grams without a lens. Its compact form and ergonomic grip make handheld shooting and travel comfortable. The vari-angle touchscreen is particularly valuable for vlogging and self-filming, allowing easy adjustment of framing and monitoring while recording. This thoughtful design lets creators concentrate on their content, whether they are just starting out or have more experience. Affordability is another key advantage, with the R50V priced around $690. The dedicated Live button streamlines live broadcasts, and wireless streaming via the Canon Camera Connect app enables real-time sharing with minimal setup. These user-friendly features are especially helpful for vloggers and social media enthusiasts, making live content creation simple and accessible. While the R50V offers many strengths, there are a few limitations to consider. The 1.56x crop in 4K 60p mode restricts wide-angle compositions, and the absence of in-body image stabilization means you'll need to rely on lens-based or electronic stabilization, which may not always deliver optimal results for handheld shooting. Keeping these factors in mind will help you decide if the R50V aligns with your creative goals. Combining advanced video capabilities, reliable autofocus, and a lightweight design, the Canon EOS R50V is an excellent choice for those starting or expanding their content creation journey. Its competitive price and intuitive controls make it practical for upgrading from smartphone video. Despite some limitations, the R50V delivers strong performance and versatility, making it a valuable option for creators looking to elevate their production quality. We'd love to hear your experiences and opinions about the Canon EOS R50V in the comments below. Whether you are new to content creation or have years of experience, your insights can help others make informed decisions. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates by subscribing and connecting with our community.